shave in my hand. Look at that. I can actually go for a shave with this knife. There you go. I don't know if you can see those hairs in the knife, but cut the hairs in my hand. So excellent. Let's go and take a look at some of the specs. I'll put the specs up on the screen here for you to see the moment. What's up, YouTubers? Today's video is about the LTD Voltron tactical folding knife. So this is a knife that I just bought from China, and to be honest with you, I'm over the moon. It's actually really good quality for what I paid for it. I paid $14 for this knife. It's unbelievable. The quality is really good. I mean, if somebody showed me that knife and they asked me what I paid for it, I would say something like $60–70. It's really good. Let me open up the box and take it, show you guys. So it comes in this black box. Okay, it's just a cardboard box, nothing expensive. Let's open it up. It's actually got a ball bearing joint in here, so roller bearing or whatever you want to call it, so you could literally just flick the knife open from here. Let's take a look. Okay, it's got a little company logo here. This particular knife is called the Voltron. I think this is the 05. The blade is a type of stainless steel. It's made from 9Cr18MoV. I'll talk about that later on. It's basically an alloy. It's a good steel. It's very hard. 60 to 61 HRC. Anyone that knows about hardnesses will know what that means, probably more than me. The blade thickness at its thickest point is 3.98 millimeters, so just shy of 4 millimeters. The overall length of the cutting blade, the cutting edge, is let me see, 127 millimeters. Sorry, 95 millimeters. The handle length is 127 millimeters. Overall length 224 millimeters. It's a really nice knife, really nice. I've been using this knife to shave the hairs off my hand. Yeah, have a look at this. Soon I'll have a bald hand with no hairs on it. Hey, you hear that? You hear it? You see those hairs? See those hairs? I'm going to be doing some. I'm going to be cutting some different things later on anyway, just to show you guys how it cuts. But yeah, I'm really happy with this knife. I mean, I was so happy with it. I thought I'll do a review. It is a lock knife, so it locks. It's really sturdy. It's got some weight behind it. I mean, this is the heaviest knife I have so far. I'm not really into all these big Rambo knives or anything like this, but this feels really nice. It can fit into your pocket. It's got this clip here. I'll probably end up taking that off though. I mean, I don't really see the need to clip a knife onto your belt when I've got, combat trousers and I've got pockets all over the place, so I could just fit this knife into my pocket. But if anyone wants to use it, it's there. You could always take this clip off. It's got these little screws here. I think they call them tock screws or whatever. You can unscrew those and take this off. It would actually be nice and it would feel better in the hand as well. So there you have it. I'll put the specs up at the end of the link also, and the link to where you can buy this from if you're interested. Let's lock it. You can actually do it with one hand. That locks it, opens it, lock it. Fantastic. first up we're going to be chopping up some wood. Let's see how this knife gets on. Well, there you have it. The wood is no problem. These bits of wood were probably just over an inch in diameter, and you know, you could chop through these pretty good, so you wouldn't have a problem, you know, making up a fire, you know, so that's pretty good, no problems there. The blade looks like it's still in pretty good condition, so yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's see what else we could cut. So sometimes when you go camping you might want to cut some bread. Now most knives, believe it or not, find it very difficult to go through bread because it's so soft and textured. Normally you'd use a blade which is very thin, but we're going to try this knife out on some bread. Let's see how we get on. That's a clean cut. The bread hasn't come apart, so we're good. Just need a bit of butter now. Cutting through a tomato is not an easy task neither. Let's see how it gets on. But there you go. The tomato was no problem neither. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so we've cut wood, we've cut tomato, and it's gone through bread also. Now, I haven't sharpened it or anything, just gave it a wash. Let's see how it gets on cutting through paper after all that work. Okay. Not bad, went through the paper, so overall it's a good quality blade, it's a nice knife, I'm really happy with it. Like, with confidence, what else can I say?